His very first time with Miss Carol. He said to her, "My mom says you have to learn me how to throw things in the water and get them."
What did he say?
My mom says you have to learn me how to put things in the water and get them. That's what he said.
Here, I have a diaper sack.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I have those too.
You want one?
I have one.
Oh, okay.
I forgot.
Like, that'll work.
Yeah.
You want to see Lucas with me? Watch Lucas. You want to watch Lucas? Okay, come here. Want to see Lucas with me? Come here. What are you doing? Come here. You want to see Lucas? Come here. Come here, look, baby. Come over here. Noah, come here. You wanna
Is
see
she
Lucas with
awake?
me? Looky, looky. Look at Lucas swimming. Oh, did you wake up? Did you wake up? Yeah.
The water.
You see Lucas swimming?
See Lucas swimming? See, he's
Flashy. Flashy water.
splashing. He's doing his swimming kickers or something like that. She's saying, "Look at me, take a second."
Uh-oh.
Noah, say hi.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Probably gonna be doing that a lot too.
Uh-oh, dear.
No crying so far.
I'm feeling great. That's what I told her. I said, he's such a easy kid. Like, you know what I mean? I'm like, I bet he'll do great.
You said that?
Uh-huh.
Aw.
Because she's like, well, because she wanted to know, like, which one.
We go first.
Uh-huh, because...
So no go show me? There. There.
Finally.
You get stuck, Noah, or you're going to have to get down.
Let's go. Let's go, Lucas. He keeps swallowing water. But he's Mr. Chatterbox. He has not cried once. He keeps telling Miss Carol this and that, and bravo, you beat it. Look, he's gonna jump in the circle.
That's cool. No, sit down. No, huh? Yep, he isn't going up there yet.
He's asking her to jump in it. Let's go,
A
Lucas.
returning
You can
child
do
in the
it.
same season's 23 at lesson.
Uh-huh. Good job,
Ready?
buddy.
I'm ready. Go.
Trying to get him to relax.
Good job. Let him go. Teaching him to float.
Yeah. Keeps telling him to relax, move his head around, because he's all tense. But he's laying on the water really well.
Yeah.
He gets nervous. She let him go and he totally turned on his own. Oh. He made it to the edge by himself. Water camera. Here, let's see you, little man.
Hi, baby.